Hey guys, Andrew McFarlane here from StartAJuiceBar.com. Hope you guys are doing well, happy, healthy, and inspired to launch your businesses or grow your existing businesses. Today, we are talking about the fact that your success really is only dictated by about 25% of strategy and know-how. What's the other 75%? We're going to get into it. But before we do, if you're new to the channel and you don't know who I am, you don't know what we do, over the last decade, myself and my company has had the pleasure of running our own juice concepts as well as helping hundreds of entrepreneurs all over the world launch and scale juice businesses, juice trucks, smoothie trucks, acai bowl businesses, healthy cafes, and more. So all the information on this channel is coming from that wealth of experience. Early invitation to press the like button if you like the content. If you haven't watched any videos yet, I'm sure you will like the content, and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you get alerted when there is new videos coming out. So diving into today's topic, why is this important? Because if you only have 25% of what you need, you're not going to get very far. And the other 75%, it's sort of like the iceberg. They always say, they use this analogy, the tip of the iceberg. The tip of the iceberg are the things that you can see, and it's obvious. And so we generally focus on that because we believe that that's everything. And then there's something much larger underneath that is bigger than what you can see, that is actually dictating where this whole iceberg goes and floats and all of that. It's the same thing in this situation. The strategy and the questions and the logistics, these are all things that you can see. It's the things that you're focused on. But the thing that is unseen, that is actually dictating almost everything that's happening, is you. It's your mind state, it's your emotional state, okay? It's your fears, it's your preferences, it's your ideas, because you are at the center of all the decisions that you make, okay? And the difference between people who are around you that might be very successful or have juice bars that are open and doing well, oftentimes isn't the fact that they know something you don't know or that they have information that you can't gain access to. Definitely you need to educate yourself. Definitely you need to have the right strategy, because strategy is very, very, very important. But if you know everything you need to do, and we see this, right? People who are in the health field, you and I, and we observe people around us who know how they should eat. They know what they should do for their diet. They know that they should exercise. They know that they should get enough sleep. But how many people actually do it? Why? Because there are things that are holding them back from actually taking the proper steps that they know that they need to take. I talk to people all the time and we'll tell them, okay, this is the strategy. This is what we need to do. And they say, well, I don't know. I'm scared. I don't know. I don't think that that's the right thing to do. This might be you. You might be in a place where you've been consuming content for a long time, or maybe you have a business you've been running for a little while, and you've started to see that every time it comes to taking that next step, something stops you. And that thing that's stopping you is where you need to grow, right? So how do I become someone who is capable of accomplishing the goals that I want to in life? There are so many people out there that you might also witness and think, that person's not as intelligent as I am. Why are they doing so well? It's potentially because they take action and they're courageous, right? And so if you don't see this is why I bring this up. And sometimes when I make these videos, I can already feel it, that people are like, well, this isn't what I want to hear. The fact that you don't want to hear it is probably indicative of the fact that you need to look at it, that you actually need to look at why you're potentially holding yourself back, why you're letting fear stop you, right? Why, whenever it comes to that moment where you need to maybe invest a little bit more money in your business, that you stop and you don't do it. And you end up staying where you are, thinking that things are going to be different, even though you're not really happy with where you're at and you're not really getting towards where you're going. You're sort of on a treadmill running, but you're not really getting very far. Now, if that's what you want to do, you can keep doing it. But if you want to change the results, you have to change your habits, you have to change your mindset, you have to change who you are and the way that you look at things. And so, as you guys know, on this channel, I make a lot of content about strategies, and it's probably the majority of the content that I make, right? The know-how, the things that need to educate you. But I also am so aware, because I know for me inherently, I haven't had as many issues around my mind state or fearlessness and taking action on what I want. But I also know not everybody is in the same place that I'm in internally. You have to get there. It is a journey. And it's not to say that I didn't move without fear, like I'm just fearless and I've never had fear. I've definitely had a lot of fear at different stages in my career and business, but I didn't let that dictate where I ended up. Right? I didn't let the fact that I had a little bit of fear stop me from accomplishing my goals, because if I did, I wouldn't be where I am today. And so if you guys are in a place where you have the desire, you want to start your business, but you're letting the fact that you're afraid or that you're not properly introspecting on your mind state and your dispositions and your preconceived notions on how you think things should go, I invite you to be humble. I invite you to reach out for support. I invite you to take action and move into that next paradigm, because the reason I'll leave you with this. Someone once said, in order to have more, you must become more. Your hand can only hold so much right now. If you want to hold more, you have to let go of the things that are cluttering, that you're holding, which might be the fear, it might be certain ideas. And you have to expand in order to hold more and grasp more and accomplish more. So reach out to me personally if you want support and you're ready to take that step to move your business and your career, your life to the next level. Andrew at StartAJuiceBar.com. Trust me, we've been through this journey. I know how it goes. We talk to so many people and we see everything. So reach out to me. Happy to discuss how we can support you. But at the very least, I hope this video was helpful to you. I hope it motivates you a little bit to change your approach. Press the like button if you haven't yet. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. Follow us on Instagram at StartAJuiceBar. And then lastly, if you like podcasts, the Juice Bar Experts podcast on Spotify and on iTunes. Until next time, wishing you guys a lot of success. The world needs people like you to say yes, because there are people in your community that don't have access to the proper nutrition, don't have the education, the information that you have, that only you can give them so that they can live a powerful existence. I often say that health is the greatest gift that we can give to one another, because if you don't have your health, you don't have anything. All the things that you think you're going to accomplish, you want to become a millionaire, a billionaire, and all that. If you're not healthy, you can't do that. If you're not alive, you can't experience any relationship that you have. So this is why it's been one of my primary missions to help the world get healthy. And I need you guys. We all need each other to do it. So I look forward to talking to you, and I look forward to seeing you guys at the next video. This is Andrew McFarland with StartAJuiceBar.com. See you guys soon. Hope you guys have been enjoying the video content. If you are inspired to launch your juice business, but you're not exactly sure what steps to take, for you, we've created a free ebook, 15 Steps to Starting a Juice Business from Scratch. This is going to give you a high-level overview of everything you need to do from where you are now all the way to opening your business. Now, if you want to go even deeper, we've created an online course, the Juice Bar Master Blueprint. This is going to go into great detail into every aspect of starting your business, everything from branding to menu development to finding the right location, the equipment that you need, and so much more, all the way to launching your business. There's links for both of these in the description below. I know you're going to find a lot of value out of them. As always, hope you guys are happy and healthy, wishing you a lot of success, and I'll see you at the next video.